What is up, Lambros? SteveCurrington.com here. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambro Steve, and check it out. In the wild, I found the Performante, and we're gonna chase him into his hood. And we haven't seen this car. I haven't seen this car in the daylight, and so this will be the first time that I saw it when it was light out, because the last video that we had was with it at night. Let me put my seatbelt on so this doesn't get too annoying. But then this thing we got, or he got at, you hear it? At Lamborghini North LA. So, and I love it that he's driving it, because I see it. We live right by each other, so it's just not a coincidence that I ran into him, but he lives close. So check this out. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, that's the sex right there. Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna follow him all the way to his house. So anyway, you're gonna really like this car. This is the Lamborghini Huracan Performante, which is basically like the mecca of the Huracan. It's, I think, the best car. Even I haven't seen much out of the Evo yet, but even compared to the Evo, I think it's pretty dang amazing. And today I'm shooting with my new A7 III camera with the Grandmaster lens, so hopefully the stability is a little bit better than the last one. But I'm gonna hop out, check this car out, do a review or a video of it, and we'll be back later. Okay, we are at the Performante, if you can't tell by its being directly below me here, but the most favorite part of this car, and the reason I would buy this over an Evo, is for this. First of all, this wing and the active arrow, and I can put a link to kind of explain what the active arrow does, but this is called forged composite. And when you first look at this, you're like, that looks dirty. But when you keep looking at it, you realize it's like the most beautiful, not carbon fiber, but it is supposed to be stronger, lighter, and thinner than carbon fiber. And originally, I think it was in 2010 or 11, they made the Sesto Elemento or something like that, and that's what they developed that for, and now in the Performante. So if you look inside the car, its accents of it are everywhere. So it's like, see, forged composites on all of the vents, all through here. Even he did the gloss black in the, see where the cup holder is, all the way through out here. And on all the door handles, this thing is sweet. But we didn't last time get to do a startup. We got a rev of it, but we didn't get the startup of the inside. So I want to show you guys that, because it does have some differences in the way that the dash is lined up and the way that you can see the RPMs and stuff based on the driving mode that you're in. So I want to show you guys that real quick. So hold on one second. Let's fire it up. All right, so now we're in turn that off. All right, so now we are in essentially Strata, which is how the car starts out in Strata mode. And you'll notice the way that the screen is, but if you change it into Sport, it changes it. You hear the throttle opens up a little bit, where the revs goes up a little higher. And then when you go into Corsa mode, see what it does to the screen? And then that whole, God, that thing is so touchy too. This entire, that entire setup changes. And that's what's really cool about the Performante, is some of the technology. You'll notice this in the Performante, or in the Aventador, has a very similar setup in there, but everything here, like, it measures your G-forces as you're going around the corners, measures everything. Guys, this is, I think, one of the best cars, if not the best cars, that Lamborghini's made. I mean, it's just really an amazing car. And little things that you don't notice, I just noticed this, is when you put it in Corsa, this actually changes. So that's your temp, oil, and your oil pressure, your battery. And then when you put it into Corsa, it literally just letting you know that you're in Corsa. So it's pretty hot. So I love this car. I think that's a given, but I'm gonna give it a couple revs and I'll just shoot. Let me see where everybody went. I don't know where he went, so I'm gonna give it some revs so you can hear it outside the car. Yeah. Wow. And then just look at the interior and the detail that's in the seats. They do the hexagon all the way throughout. I mean, this car, guys, is amazing. The Alcantara steering wheel, needless to say, hot. So happy that this new Performante is in Tulsa because I get to see it all the time. It's an amazing car. So thanks for watching. If you like the Performante, make sure you drop a like. If you want to go see how the active arrow works, I'll put a link to the actual video that explains it in the description, so you guys can go check that out. Once again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you do like the video, stop for a second, go drop a like. It really helps more people getting to see my videos. We'll see you next time.